Have places like this and you need to get some grass seed in, well, I've got just the thing. Got in this rotary cultivator. Gotta put this thing together, it looks like. This is the rotary cultivator, the Garden Weasel. Caution, sharp objects inside. Be careful. Whoa, that's some serious blades now. Looks like it has 3 blades. Makes sense. Let's get them put on here. Okay, what you're going to want to do is loosen these off so we'll be able to get our blades in there, or spikes. Looks like they're notched on the sides. You can see that right there. We'll make sure you get that where that set screw or whatever you want to call that will fit in there. Tighten that back up and we'll get the second one on here. Now let's get the last one on here. Well, don't roll that across somebody's back. Might not feel too good, but it'll be good on that dirt over there, that's for sure. Let's get these popped off and put this handle on here. Looks like it's made to be short, so you can store it easy, or you can hang it up. Have a cap on this end. Remove that cap. Got a hole right here. Okay, so we'll completely remove this. Take it completely out. Let's find the hole, get that hole and get this lined up. Here we go. Put that back in there and get it good and tight. And we are ready to work. Let's go see how it works. And what we want to do is just get this ground toiled up a little bit. Turn that dirt. Then we can put some grass seed out in here is what my plans are. This is ideal for small areas where a rototiller really doesn't make much sense. But something like this does. There you go. Just a few minutes of work with the Garden Weasel rotary cultivator. Now we'll put some seed in here and rake back over it and hopefully we get some grass growing.